guys, welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. We are getting ready to make the most amazingly delicious spatchcock chicken. One pan, one sheet pan, so easy, complete dinner. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And then just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Come with me, I'll show you what to do. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is make our herbed butter. You want a stick of softened butter. To that, we are going to add some dried thyme. I will have all the ingredients and exact measurements in the description. Dried parsley. I'm going to go in with some garlic paste. You can use fresh chopped garlic if you want to go that route. And I'm using some better than bullion sauteed onion. And I have some dehydrated lemons that I am using. You can use lemon zest if you don't have that. And we need just a dash of actual lemon juice. You want to combine this until it is well incorporated. Your herb butter should be nice and smooth. Go ahead and set that aside. Next, we're going to prep our veggies. We've got 3 large carrots here. Make sure they are nice and washed and scraped down. We're going to just cut them in chunks. You can use as many or as less vegetables as you would like. Using also some small new red potatoes, I'm just going to cut those in half, just like that. I am also putting in some corn niblets, which I am just cutting into thirds. Now it's time for us to go ahead and get our chicken prepped. Make sure your chicken is clean. Wash it, wash it, wash it, and wash it again. I'm just patting it dry right now. We need to take out this center bone right here so that we can lay our chicken flat. So you want to lay it on its breast. Cut that off. You want to lay it on its breast and start with the wings going towards you. Find this little part of the chicken. Take your kitchen shears and just cut straight along that line there. And for those of you all who are wondering, yes, I am using my wooden cutting board, but I have clear plastic over it. Now, don't throw this away. It's good to make stock with, so freeze it unless you're going to make stock right now. So once you have that backbone out, this is what your chicken should look like. Now, I like to take my knife and just kind of break this little bone right here. It's going to make it easier for us to flatten it out. Then what you want to do is flip your chicken over and just break that whole backbone. You're just breaking it. Once I cut it with the knife right there, I'm going to snip this little piece off. Once I cut it with the knife right there, this allows your chicken to lay flat. Now we're going to go from here to our actual pan. The first thing we're going to do is salt and pepper the bottom side. And then we're going to flip her over. And this is where she will remain. Now you want to grab your butter that you made. And we're going to literally lift up the breast part and put some in there. Turn this around. Easier to work with. To put some right in there on both sides. And get some under those thighs. Now you want to go in and spread the butter around the legs and the thighs. Just spread it around in there. Go ahead and spread the remaining butter on the top. It does not matter if it's perfect or not because it's going to melt and spread. So just get it on there. Okay, so I changed pans so that my veggies, I had a little bit more veggies than I anticipated, but you just want to spread those all around in your pan. No rhyme, no reason. We will be adding some peas, but they are actually frozen peas, and so we're going to add those at the very last few minutes of cook time. Now, if you haven't already preheated your oven, you should have it preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm sorry, 425 degrees Fahrenheit is what you want to have your oven on. Okay, at this point you want to go in with some olive oil. Make sure you sprinkle some all over your veggies. You can sprinkle it over your chicken as well. This is going to give it amazing flavor. Make sure they come out just right. Now we're going to sprinkle a little salt over our veggies as well as our chicken. Don't need much, just a little bit. From here, we're going to go into our oven for about 50-55 minutes or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165. And this is what it should look like going in the oven. So now we're going to go in and put our peas all around and let those cook as well. She is looking good. Okay, we are all done. This looks amazing. It's so quick and easy. It's great for the holidays. It's great for a Sunday meal. It's great for a weeknight meal. So I'm going to grab my knife so we can slice into it and give it a taste. Our veggies are nice and tender and caramelized. Ooh, the skin is nice and crispy. Oh my goodness. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and share the video out to family and friends. Oh my goodness, look at that juiciness. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Look at how juicy that is. Oh, can you see that? Oh my goodness, look at how juicy that is, guys. Can you see that? Look at that. Look at how juicy that is. Oh my goodness. Ooh, gotta give it a taste. And I will see you all next time, the good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. Delicious.